intro, so I won't say much. Walking out this to the death of me. You already know how we coming.
Palace, what you cooking?
Yeah. Okay. Pass me the lighter, I'm tryna get fired. You niggas been biters like doors and stealing on tires. My niggas straight burning the rubber. Yo, bitches are goofy. I don't wanna touch you. Don't come without rubbers. Your exes are busting like. How you gon' flex to the beater? All of you niggas is eaters. Diamonds on fucking face. I used to sit on the bitches. Now the safe bigger than a fucking Wraith. Diamonds too big for the face or the mall. P gay 100K. 100K. Wait, yeah, wait. VVS diamonds bigger than freaking alarming these stones. When I made the tub, wait. I've been out the fucking truck, wait. How about the V's, how about the V with the trees, how about the V with the trees, how about the V with the trees, how about the V with the trees. They like the inside, boy, where you at? Sit down, tell me chill, nigga. I was tryna kill niggas, mama told me, boy, you better sit down. Shit, I was in the Ville, chillin' with some real niggas. Showed a little nigga just how to flip pounds. Hundreds in the safe, try like 50 on a Wraith. Told her, baby, you ain't even got a strip now. What? She bought a Balenciaga, I be in Fendi Yada. Then he said Bentley Hondas, all of my pins got commas. Grab it like Pop Rocks, I'm even no hopscotch, but you would get jumped. Just call me the Sandman, more muscle than Trans Am. My holster they bought, I pop up the damn van, more guns than a man, damn. More movie you fuck, fill out your knuckles with the grit. I rap and got niggas shitting bricks. Let me get a hit, boy, I love the roll back, rules, roll toes, love to smoke 20 pounds, that's a whole lot of dope. South deep, purple green, never those, better hoes, we Gucci pheromone, never don't, no cold deep. That'll make it nosebleed, don't OD, make Foley. Hit no bitch and a brand new whip, got it wet, she said, baby, can you hold me? Wait, wait, hit it from the back, blew it back, that's your bitch, well, that's not really what she told me, she was fucking with the homie, then he passed it to the brody and he passed it to my homie, then he passed it to my homie, fucking with the woody, she was fucking with the woody. She was fucking with the woody. Like Curry when I steppin' when I walk out. Talk to us and you so tough, so let me see you talk now. I sent 2 shots out the box and you gon' end up choked out. Count my wop and flip my watch and call me Mr. Floss now. Hold away, rolling no face. I been counting on my cakes at open safe. Shit like sesame, the whole bang on my face. Talking to the top head branchers, wealthy with no manners. All my hoes dancers, put her right on camera. I'm a beast. I don't even need no sheets when I sleep. I'm a feast on these rappers like I never had no eats. Mr. T, all these gold chains got me falling out my seat. Who is he? Tired fuckers and he counting up in green and blue. 100, all these bitches want it, you can't fuck for free. Who want it, all you niggas frontin', you can't fuck with me. Lou gunning, I'm like Andre Drummond with this 100 piece. Say you dummin', I been hella dumb inside, you a beast. Hopping out the rape, boy, I might crack a safe and move a key. Where's your paperwork, so nigga, how the fuck you throwing bees? I got niggas that'll die over the peas, fuck you mean? I got niggas that'll die over the seas, fuck you mean, word.
Today, Junior.
Turn me up a little. Yeah, that's good. The animosity's building up in the room. Fuck a mummy, it's demons up in these tombs. Like a shorty with no sense of smell, but still put on perfume. Come smell a motherfucking fumes, yeah. Animosity's building up in the room. Fuck a mummy, it's demons up in these tombs. Like a shorty with no sense of smell, but still put on perfume. Come smell the fumes. Wait, devil watching, yeah, all of these niggas clocking, homie. I can rock it, that barrel. She always stay up on me. All of my bitches crazy, they never leave me lonely. All of your niggas hate me, but that's just cause they hungry. Kill a nigga like germs, he try and run up on me. Eating rappers alive, but that's just cause I'm hungry. You just mad cause you still gotta ask for money. Spray these niggas like paint cause I just want the money. The animosity, the niggas out for me. Said I can't stop it, so hey, who got it out for me? Yeah, I'm the head of the chain. Shit ain't the same, what? Demons calling my name, they got me praying, yeah. Hearing these demons while niggas pray at night every day. Before I fall asleep, hope I don't leave these niggas dead without a warning. Be the animosities building, this ain't a corner be. No, I ain't playing with you niggas, yeah. Animosities building up in the room. Fuck a mummy, it's demons up in these tombs. Like a shorty with no sense of smell, but still put on perfume. Come smell the motherfucking fumes, yeah. Breaking through every barricade with satin blades. Living light years away, up in a battered cage. Boxing these niggas out, but I'm not Mr. Clay. Living life like a movie, come see the matinee. No tobacco, but nigga, we blowing packs a day. Call her head like, hey, we buying Max today. Sure my shorty a fool, she gift wrapping.